Good morning, Tradeify Nation, and welcome to another London session stream. It is the 18th of November, and oh shit, I have my audio on. Damn, no. Oh, I hurt myself. I almost got a heart attack. Hope you're all doing well. Hope you're crushing it. Had a great day yesterday, and yeah, let's get into this. Let's do this. Celine, how are you doing? Good morning.
Good. Good morning, everyone. Good to be here on a sunny Tuesday, very warm day here in Bali. But I was just saying to Nick before chat, I think we are going to get a banger setup today. I'm liking the longs so far, but I'll get into it in a minute when we get into our market breakdown. But feeling good, feeling pumped, and let's get it.
Chat, I have bad news and I have good news. Okay. The bad news is I came, unfortunately, too close to my max loss limit and I blew my funded account. The good news about that is that we can continue the 50K zero to hero challenge because now I was able to activate that account. I'm actually going to focus on that. So instead of the 150K zero to hero challenge, we're going to continue with the OG zero to hero challenge. We took that account from eval to funded, and now we're going to take it from funded to payout. So that's what we're going to do in the upcoming London streams. So that's the good news about that.
Nice.
But yeah, I hope you're all doing well. How was your day yesterday, chat? Green, red, flat? Let us know. Let us know. Hey, Corey, you're already up $1,000 today. Hell yeah.
Nice. Let's go,
Nice.
Corey. And anyone else green on the day or taking any trades yet?
Oh,
Anyone?
yeah. Leia apparently made $1,800 in the chat.
Oh,
Hell yeah, Leia.
hey. Go,
Nice.
Leia.
Very nice. All right, chat. Market opens in 1 minute and 20 seconds, London market. So let's get into it. For me, let's actually look at the daily on NQ really quick. We already took our previous Asia low, which is also previous week low. And I'm actually interested to see what happens next. We do have a bearish bias for today. So that aligns. Daily open was at 24,906.50. And basically we made a little bit of an upwick, came right down. I mean, the daily candle is already pretty big. If we look at the total price range for today, we have a 357 point candle. Kind of insane. On the 4 hour, let's check. Yeah, all very bearish for now. 30 seconds left until market open, by the way. So basically, technically very bearish. However, this previous week low level could hold for now. We could be ranging here for a while. Celine, you're looking at longs right now. What are you looking at specifically?
Yeah, so if we go to the daily chart, what I'm seeing here is yesterday the daily bearish FEG that we were looking to see how that level was treated, because as I said, it was either going to be a level. I thought price was just going to invert. We were just going to go longs and take it all the way to this level up here at 820. But the fact that we tapped into pretty much 50% of that daily FEG and respected and had quite the bearish close there yesterday, it tells me that we were looking for lower prices, and that level for me was the swing low on the daily, which we have already taken out. So now that we've taken that swing low out, that was my level to the downside I was looking for to be swept, which is also previous week's low. So that potentially is quite a strong level for reversals. And the fact that we have already swept the previous 4 hour low also, which is this level here, we came down, swept it. I am now eager to get in these longs because I think this could be a really clean reversal day for me in London.
Could be.
But that's pretty much it.
I agree. The business lens in the chat says, "Scammer Nick." Hey, what did I scam? What happened? I miss something? Did I miss something? I don't know. Patrick, what's up, man? I haven't seen you in a while.
Where you been, Patrick?
Damn, what a strong push up here from market open straight up, 42 points. Woof.
Damn.
London is flying. I mean, didn't even give us a wick to the downside here. This would be a long setup for me as well, but not without a down wick.
I'd be waiting for, I want to see if we can get back to 24,680 and wick this swing low on the 1 minute. I would definitely be getting in longs today. But chat, you know what? I was just like Nick before. I have been so strict on my only trading A+ setups with you guys on stream, but what's I feel like been happening is we're sort of getting B+ setups that potentially I should be in. Although they're not A+, they're still check off most of my trading system. So I am happy to today take up to anywhere between a B plus, A plus setup. That's the plan. So at least, because the last couple of days for me just have been boring, as you guys know. Haven't been able to get a setup. So
Yeah, you were very disciplined though.
I've been disciplined.
Yeah.
I've been disciplined, but got to keep it entertaining here for you guys. So let's see if we can at least get something.
Well, the chat agreed. Actually, last time I asked them if I should take more trades or if I should only stick to A plus setups, they all voted A plus setups. So,
Oh, okay.
trust me, they appreciate that discipline.
All right. Well, we'll see.
Yeah, let's see. RF, for you, I always got a gum to spare, chewing gum. Robot, no, I would be lying. Today, I did not wake up like this. I went to the gym, I showered, and that's my after shower hair. But yesterday, I did actually wake up like this.
Okay.
Judas Show says, "Hey Nick, can we please buy the top again today?" Well, I prefer not to. Yeah, what did you want to say, Celine? Sorry.
Oh, a few of you have you taken gold today? Because I know gold was moving like crazy yesterday in London session, and I've been watching it closely, trying to see what this market gives. But is anyone in gold at the moment, or looking at anything on gold?
I'm actually checking gold really quick.
And the minute I can see we've swept previous 4-hour low, previous day low has been swept. Similar sort of market as price action as NQ right now.
It's so weird how gold and NQ are so in sync recently.
Yeah.
Okay, so gold did retest the monthly open, and that is usually, and that's also the 4,000 level, and that usually holds. So I would expect gold to either range or go higher from here, but not lower. Don't think so. Let's see.
Aditya, damn, yesterday Celine short view was right and most of us were long. Yeah, no, that's the thing. I didn't end up getting a setup though in those shorts. So I had told you guys during the day what I was looking for, and then pretty much as soon as we jumped off stream, we got this massive strong candle to the downside, and we kept pretty much selling off for the rest of the day, and I didn't manage to get a piece of it. So that's why I woke up today. I was like, you know what, even if I get a B plus setup and it goes in long with my bias, like today I'm looking for longs, if I can just get a B plus setup, I will be happy to take it.
I do like the longs on gold. I was just gonna run without me though. Seems like, because at this point we would trade into BPAP, and BPAP has been holding very well this session. 1, 2, 3, 4 touches. I would not want to long this into BPAP.
Yeah, that makes sense. See how it reacts to that level.
Same thing with NQ. Like gold and NQ charts look very similar right now. Very, very similar. By the way, chat, today the like goal is 415. So tomorrow it's going to be 420. But 415 today, meaning if you haven't already, make sure you smack that like button's face, because we want to do another giveaway. We want to give you free accounts.
Smash it.
Smack it.
Smack it.
All right. NQ is pushing strong here. ES as well. The YM as well. I haven't looked at platinum in a while. Ooh, that looks good too for longs.
I've never tried a platinum before.
Yeah, most haven't. I actually started trading it because of Leia. Shout out to Leia. But gold seems to be just pushing through. Beep up. Okay.
Morning, Dino. Morning, Lee.
Or is it?
No, robot. Don't start the 6 or 7.
Why not?
Don't start. Oh no.
What have we done?
No, Nasdaq. Come back.
Yeah, it's just like seeing Seeing a 75-point ripper within 9 minutes from London Open is insane. That rarely ever happens. That rarely ever happens. I'll tell you that, chat. I mean,
But it's a good indication.
I mean,
feel
the
like we are just
volume is crazy high right now for NQ. Volume is insanely high compared to the usual London session. Well, maybe he wants to give us some monies today. I took a nice short on NQ pre-market. That was nice for like 45 points.
Nice. Good trade.
But
I was looking at, so COE swept previous 4-hour low was 2 a.m. Eastern. Then we had a bit of like consolidation for the rest of that 15-minute candle, but we didn't come back and sweep that previous 15. So that's that A+ setup that I was looking for. But in saying that, we did then have a break of market structure, IFVG, all of everything else. So technically that would be like a B+A setup that I could have been in chat. So those are the setups I'm trying to look to take today just to get more frequency in, because yeah, like I said, the past couple of days have been sort of boring for my system.
Hey, Taco, good discipline. It says locked up for the day. 7-day win streak ended today. That's good. Good that you locked yourself out.
Good. Also, 7-day win streak is insane. Good job. I would be so happy with myself. 7-day win streak is epic.
So ES did just tap into previous week low, and Bebop retested that. Now it's going to be interesting if that holds that level, or if it's just going to pump through. Gold just came back to Bebop. Let's see. I would not want to long this here.
Which gold?
Yeah, both not. To be fair, both not. Look at silver. Okay, silver is stronger than gold right now. Pushing already towards Asia highs.
I'd like with Nasdaq, I feel like key levels for profit taking to the upside. I'd like to see us get potentially back into that daily open at 24,905 level. I feel like at least just daily open.
Shout out to Krishna. Says, I'm grateful. Look, my second payout with NQ longs.
Let's go.
Nice.
Good job.
Very nice. Love to hear that. Chat, we're sitting at 112 likes. We need 415, so 303 to go. Make sure you smash that like button.
Chat, I'm curious. So with this whole A+, B+ setup thing, do you guys ever deviate, or you only trade A+? Because I'm curious. Because you can still have a setup. It's just not entirely like the cleanest setup, but you know what I mean? Like it still ticks some of the boxes. Are you getting in those trades, or are you only trading A+? I'm curious. Corb, I trade A to Z. Inizio A+. Prefer A+, only A+.
I only trade with emotions.
Oh, Cameron.
Cameron, there's no help for you, unfortunately.
Yeah. Look, buddy. Johnny wants to see the B+. See, only I like a challenge.
Ozempic
guys, it was a serious question.
Trade all the way to 0-.
I swear this chat, guys, we can never just have serious talk.
Nope.
B+ with
so
less
what did
contract.
You expect?
I know. I should have known.
Hey, Business Lens, you still got me on edge. I'm still waiting for you to reply. What was the scam? I'm confused. Vince says, hey, Nick, sorry I'm late. What is your setup for today? No setup for now. We did sweep Asia lows already, so. However, to be fair, we swept previous Asia low. Now it's just that Asia low is established at 24,603. Asia doesn't close until 45 minutes from now.
Yeah, I like that, Cameron. I try to have different plans depending on the type of trading day we have. That's sort of what I'm looking at here. Since we swept the key level that I was looking to sweep and the strong reaction we've had to it ever since, I feel like I wouldn't be so scared of taking B+ setups today. Leah says, I don't really have A+ setups. If the IB level is broken, then that's a strong move, but I could take a rejection off the IB level without it breaking, and I suppose that could be considered a B+ setup. Yeah, anything that doesn't sort of tick all the boxes, I guess, sort of comes under that B+ A setup.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, well, Ozempic, Celine is still new, okay? You will get it over time.
It's true.
You will get it that everybody in the chat is just a freaking chimp. Johnny Soap, no. Johnny Soap, it's not London low now, no. This is still Asia low down here. London hasn't opened, like London is only open for the past 13 minutes. So London low is sitting at 24,697. Asia low is down here at 24,603. Don't confuse the two. Hey, Johnny, see us in the New York session, yeah? See you later.
Joker.
Oh, Joker. What's up, man? How are you doing? How's Greece? That man is always somewhere else. Like literally a couple, like 2-3 weeks ago, I was like, hey, how's Dubai? Then a week later, I was like, how's Finland? Now I'm like, how is Greece?
Who? Joker?
Joker. He's a
Oh, where are you, Joker? We're in Greece. I love Greece.
Better, that guy.
Forget about trading. Let's talk about Greece.
Have you ever been to Greece, Celine?
Yeah, I lived there for 3 months.
Oh, really?
I love it.
Why did you only live there for 3 months? How bad must it have been?
No, trust me. I wish I could have stayed there longer, but it's the way the Australian citizenship, you're not allowed to stay because I'm not a citizen. So I actually can't stay anywhere in the Schengen zone for more than 3 months.
Yeah, that makes sense.
So I had to leave, sadly.
That makes sense.
But
so basically you were on vacation for 3 months.
Yeah, well, it was when I actually started trading. I moved straight to Greece. So it was perfect time zone as well. You can trade London and New York. It's awesome. Yeah,
that's what I'm saying. Switzerland is the way to go.
Where it's at.
It is the perfect time zone.
Joker, where in Thessaloniki are you? They've got the most beautiful beaches up there.
Thessaloniki. He loves it when I say that.
Good try.
He absolutely hates it when I say that. It's temporary London low. I lose Asian low at 2 a.m., sir, but I'm not about to argue with the Batman. Yeah, Johnny. Smart decision. Have you ever tried trading Asia markets? Listen, I did trade Asia markets when I was in Toronto last, like about a year ago, 13 months ago. And I fucked up big time. So no, I don't touch Asia markets.
So I'm basically waiting for this level 24,697. I want this to get swept and then go along from there.
I mean, at this point, you're just provoking the 6-7 thing, just saying.
I'm not even conscious that I'm doing it. 697.
Morning success, Joe. Hope you had success.
Morning.
Today. I mean, last time you won the giveaway because of your name. All right. NQ is still respecting VWAP, ES as well. So this is looking like it wants to range. At least at this very moment, it's looking like it wants to range. I'm not saying it's gonna range, but that's what it looks like. Hey, Joker, what do you mean? Tizaikai is not really good. You know it.
Oh, do not. That's... What the... Please leave. Please leave.
I mean...
Joker, how do you hang around with this guy? What do you mean?
A good old Tizay guy.
Oh my god. Cancelled. Get him off.
Now the thing is, tzatziki is
So you laughed at me for saying tomato sauce.
tzatziki is literally the worst food on planet Earth. It is like
What?
I would rather, I don't know, eat some dog shit before I would eat tzatziki.
What? Wait, what?
Yeah.
You need to see a doctor. How?
It's I don't know. It's just so disgusting.
Wait, so maybe is it the yogurt? Because I get it. Is it maybe you're not a yogurt guy because it's.
Yeah, I mean, not like sweet yogurt. I love, but anything that's like sour cream and sour yogurt, nah, ugh. Ew.
Oh, it's nothing sour about it. It's delicious. Garlic, yogurt,
Ew.
bit of dill, cucumber. Every Greek just summoned against me. Let me turn down. It's so true. All the Greeks in the chat come out.
Tzatziki with ketchup? Well, that kind of turns into a cocktail sauce.
That is disgusting.
Isan, why do you ask what I like to eat? You know what I like to eat.
Yeah, don't go there, Shan. We don't want to know. This guy doesn't like tzatziki. Get him off.
Hey, you mean Tizay guy?
Oh my gosh. Criminal.
Dunkin' Donuts? Dino, I actually never had Dunkin' Donuts, but it looks like I love pastry and I love sugar, but that looks like it's too much. I've never had it though, so I can't really.
Yeah, I've never had it.
Can't really. Oh my god! Trading markets, we agree on something? That's awesome, man. We can be best friends now.
Trading Markets is here.
Yeah, now I like that guy. He says tzatziki is shit. I like you now, Trading Markets.
Until he fades you again.
Until he tells me, buy gold.
You're wrong.
You can't lose.
You're wrong.
Joker says Dunkin' Donuts is diabetes for $10. Oh god.
Andrea said, Celine, you're trying to explain about tzatziki to a guy who is putting ketchup on his steak. You can't win. So true. Oh no, what have we started?
It's so funny. Like the one thing that gets the most engagement from the chat is just talking about food.
Yeah.
So funny.
Like we should just start it. This is just a food channel.
Yeah. NQ's just hanging out here. Actually forming a little bit of a bull flag here on the 3-minute. Yeah.
Bit of a bull flag.
A little bull flag, yeah. We're gonna get El Toro. El Toro coming for the bulls. London Lad says Nick is not a great advertisement for Swiss food. Why? Swiss food is great. What are you talking about? Tizay is not Swiss.
What's a nice, okay, what's like a Swiss sauce? Anything cheesy or something, right?
Swiss sauce.
Blue cheese sauce or something?
There's not really a Swiss sauce, I would say. I mean...
Well, that explains it. That's why you guys like ketchup. There's not much option.
You mean tomato sauce.
Tomato sauce. I wasn't on my own with that one. Guys, some of you agreed. Oh, he's talking Greek. Wait, Joker, is Joker Greek?
Yeah, he's
Makes
Greek.
sense. Right?
He's Greek. Yeah, I mean, he's Swiss, but he's also Greek. He lives in Switzerland, but his parents are Greek.
He would get along with my boyfriend. They're both Greeks. When Greeks get together, it's just...
JC, am I vegetarian? Well, would a vegetarian eat steak with ketchup?
Someone is just finding out that you put ketchup on steak, I think.
Yeah.
Daniel says, who in the hell puts ketchup on steak?
Dino says I'm Indian. Dino, don't tease me. Brother. My alter ego wants to come out. I'll tell you.
Get it out. Come on, just for
I
2
cannot.
seconds.
I cannot do this.
He's there. He wants to come out.
Oh God. Chat, what are we gonna do today? What is the market gonna do? Is it gonna go up? Is it gonna go down? Is it just gonna clown? Let's see.
I want it to come down. Come down, NASDAQ.
Raj, Nick, Ozempic, really? Brother, I really want to do it. Unbound. If you have questions about where, like what countries are restricted or not, please go to tradeify.co and check the FAQ for the most accurate information.
That's cool that we have some of you in Kenya, or at least one of you in Kenya. Where are you all actually trading from? I never asked that before.
Yeah, chat, where are you from?
Put it in the chat real quick.
Where are my Indian brothers?
I'll go first.
I know we have a lot of love from India.
Bali, Singapore, Slovakia,
Singapore,
Brazil. Whoa.
Sweden, Hong Kong, Philippines, New Zealand, Luxembourg.
Oh, shout out Melbourne.
Munich, India, brother. Japan, Sri Lanka, Bangladesh.
Denmark, Norway.
Switzerland, what's up, Key? Wie heißt es? Albuquerque. Tampa, Florida.
Wow.
Go to bed, man. What are you doing? Malaysia, New York City.
Yeah, the US ones, you guys are crazy. New Jersey.
You guys are insane. That commitment. Damn. Corb as well from New York, supposed to be asleep.
Well, go to sleep.
Hey, there's an Aussie in there.
Let's go. Aussie, Aussie, Aussie.
Hey. Liechtenstein, nice. Malaysia. Hey, Key, what's up, man? Good to have some fellow Swiss people in here.
That's so cool. Gibraltar.
Dino, you're mixing some things here. It's not Mumbai, Habibi. That's Dubai.
That's the other one. It ends in AI. Like, I sort of get it.
Yeah, you know what else ends in AI? Celine AI.
True.
He's fake.
Stavros Mooks from jail, huh? Someone's trading from jail.
Wait, what? Hey, 6K. For your service. Keith, Luzern. Who? Nick, you're going to Miami, right? Yep, I'm flying on Thursday morning. Thursday morning to Miami.
And you guys will be stuck with me.
Oh, chat.
AI
I'm sorry, chat. I'm really sorry.
AI takes over Thursday, Friday, guys.
I'm not sure if that's a good idea, honestly. We'll see.
We'll see. Come on, nothing.
JC says, Celine and Nick, are you both from heaven? Aw. I hope that's a good thing.
Yeah, that sounds like a nice thing, JC.
Ozempic. Bro, you crack me up. Literally, like every single thing, every single thing you say literally cracks me up. You're funny as shit.
We need to get Ozempic's comments and tweets like framed. I feel like he just always has those.
Tarek and Keith says, speak Swiss German. Okay, mach mal einen schweizerdeutschen Stream. Keiner versteht es. So drei Leute checken, was man erzählt und alle anderen einfach so, what is this?
What did you just say?
I said that if I speak Swiss German, like 3 people will understand and everybody else is going to be like, yeah, what the fuck?
Literally. You speak so fast as well.
Yeah, Swiss German is faster. Yeah, Manfred, you Tabiba, you Germans kind of understand it sometimes. What's that? What did you say?
Is that like a mean thing? That
What
sounds
did-
like a bit rude.
What?
Ik weet Manfred's comment.
Oh no, he says, I understand you.
Ah.
It means ich verstehe dich.
Ik snel das. Ik snel das.
Yeah. Yeah. That means the same thing. I understand it.
I know in German, wie heißt du? And
Oh, that's good. Good pronunciation.
bro, dear Celine.
Key, chill out, bro. Chill.
Key, that's not fair because I can see my name, but then the rest of the words look like gibberish to me. I don't know what's going on.
He said Celine is beautiful.
Oh, thank you, Key.
But he said it in a respectful way, to be fair.
Okay, well, we can keep him there.
Yeah. Otherwise, I would ban. No, zero tolerance.
Emil, what is NQ doing? I have the same question. We had this massive pump up. Literally from the 2 a.m. open, we swept that 4-hour low, reacted really strongly off that, the previous 4-hour low, and we have pushed literally this whole since 2 a.m. 170 points. So.
Oh God, Miguel is provoking my other alter ego. Bonjour, Miguel. How are you doing? You have a great day today.
Comment ça va?
Comment tu t'appelles? Oh, Miguel. Je ne comprends pas, je suis touriste.
Je m'appelle Celine.
J'aime le baguette et le croissant. C'est l'heure de beurre.
J'aime le baguette. J'aime les chat.
Is it possible to sound romantic in German? Nein!
J'aime le baguette.
Well, be careful what you say. Peter, are equal lows and 50-minute around previous week low some issue for longs that we're looking for right now? Not really, because they're not equal lows. The second one took out the previous one. He also says we want Indian Nick only. Trust me, I want him too.
Maybe we can have it like a special one day. Like we get to 70,000 subscribers and then we get Raj Nick on.
I actually, like, my initial plan for Halloween was to dress up as an Indian guy and then just do the entire stream as an Indian. But I got the offended message before then, so I turned into a ketchup bottle.
Look, I think that was a good idea because I could imagine like a complete cancel after that stream.
Ready B, look, it's very easy. In English, it's ambulance, right? In Spanish, it's ambulancia or something like that. And then in German, it's like Ambulanz, Krankenwagen.
What?
German is so aggressive.
That sounds scary. German is actually... Look, no offense to you Germans in the chat, but there is nothing nice sounding about that word.
Hey, we just made a new London high here, Celine. You still looking for longs?
I am, but I want to see it come down and sweep first. So I don't want to just buy into these pumps and then we get some sort of pullback and then I get swept out. That's the whole idea of my system, is to trade when we get a sweep of the previous 15-minute. So the previous 15-minute low. But let's see, because I did say I'm open to taking B+ setups today.
Ikru is provoking my third alter ego. Japanese sushi chef. You know what, Ikru? You're Japanese? Here, read this. Wait. This.
What does it say?
It says, Tradeify. You know what it means?
No.
Trader Bros.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
That's sick.
I lost the bet against Joker. Hey, Ikru, you got it. Nice. Ozempic says it says salmon mango. Love it.
Andrea, it says ketchup on steak.
I should get a ketchup tattoo.
Well, that would make more sense than a Japanese tattoo. Although you do like sushi, right? So
I love sushi.
Sense.
Yep. I'm not seeing a setup, unfortunately, for how I trade. So we wait.
Yeah, I'd love to get a sweep, come back down here. Now I'm looking at the previous 15-minute low at 24.72925. And then go higher, but...
Yeah, Dino, do that. Celine's X is, I think Celine trades, right? Without the dot or with the dot?
Yeah, without the dot.
Okay, Celine trades. And then for me, it's Nick M trades. Michael, do you have to wait for your day to reset in order for it to log that day's profit so you can request a payout? Yep, you got to wait for market to close and then you can request a payout the next day. So for now, log out and chill. Damn, NQ is going. That bull flag break was clean. So clean. Kind of wants me to go back to bull flag trading.
Because you see it once and you're like,
No, whenever I see it, I'm like, I want to take this.
FOMO.
Yeah. Actually, today I'm kind of in the mindset of I'm not going to get a setup anyways. So if I get one, I'm going to be very happy. And if I don't, I just expected it. Today is it's weird, but I already expected I'm not going to get anything because I took this like 45-point short in the pre-market. So kind of happy. Our next stop will be quarterly open here on NQ. That's 842. Yeah, still sitting around previous week low. Let's see what YM is doing. Yeah, YM is still ranging, so not too convincing for a move higher.
I mean, all I can see on the 1 minute is that we have these like strong bullish candles, and then we have like 2 or 3 like we have like a small little pullback, and then we pump again, and there's a little pullback, and it's just a whole bunch of high lows. So I see us keep on pumping from here. I just want a bit of more of a pullback. I don't like to long in. I call it premium and discount. Others, you guys might call it something different, but pretty much like when you draw out this range from high to low, I don't like to be buying from so close to the high of this range right now. So prefer to have a bit of a risk.
Yeah, that makes sense.
Bit of a lower entry.
That makes sense. Olivia is asking, hey, Nick, can you give a review on the short I took earlier? Yeah, absolutely. Let's do it. So basically, right, we're in a big downtrend already. We did have a higher time frame fractal model on the 15-minute chart right here. And in addition to that, we had a 30-minute candle, a 30-minute fractal model. Basically, we made this big dump right to previous week low, rejected it, and then swept its previous. Let me actually do the replay here so you can. Here you go. If you look at the 30-minute candles here, right? If we have a big move to the downside, I'm looking for continuation. So what I'm waiting for is a sweep of a previous 30-minute candle. In this case, this bearish candle, right, swept its previous candle high and closed within its range. That marks a candle 2 closure. And with that candle 2 closure comes the intra candles change in state of delivery, because we closed through this 24,740 level, this red line here. Right, so I knew this high here should be a protected high. I didn't just enter this trade blindly. I waited. Actually, I'm going to show you what I waited for. I was waiting for a reaction candle, which was this one, as you can see, and basically took the short from here. There we go. I had to stop above this reaction candle, so about a 30-point stop. And I was going for 60 points, but I obviously trailed my stop as usual. I was expecting to go back down to Asia low, but I just followed my 2-to-1 R risk reward. It ranged around for a bit, actually came back into drawdown, and then once we reached 1.5 R, I actually trailed my stop and got stopped out there. But that was pretty much it.
We're about to take that previous 4-hour high. We're coming up.
Yeah, that's a stronger push than I expected.
Yeah.
Crazy. Like we already made 120 points. Wait. Yeah, since London Open, we made 120 points.
It's so sad because this is the distribution that I like to be on, because once we've swept previous 4-hour low, I'm looking for longs now. I'm looking for that to be our manipulation, and then the push higher I want to be in. But we never swept any previous 15 minutes low. We just kept closing bullish, coming down, closing bullish, coming down. But it's just so annoying seeing that, chat. It's just run without us.
Yeah.
I mean, some of you caught it, but
I think the most important thing, though, to note about today, chat, if you feel like you missed out on these big moves that we had today, keep in mind the volume that we are seeing right now is unusual. This is not a normal day. Usually, London volume on a 5-minute candle, you get anywhere between 600 to max 800 in volume, like absolute max. Now we see this previous 5-minute candle had 1,600 in volume. The 305 candle had 1,500. The previous one, 1,500. So many candles, over 800. Like, volume is much higher than usual, and that means the market moves more. So do not feel like you missed out on anything, because it's just it's just a day that is different, you know? Wait,
and like
Amelia says CPI today. What?
Fake news.
That is fake news. Let me check. Let me check.
Don't get Nick excited like that.
That would be crazy. Wait. No, what are you talking about?
She's having you on.
Yeah. I was already excited. I was like, what? No CPI today. Boo.
CPI.
Lame.
No, CPI is not tomorrow.
No.
Now they're saying it's tomorrow.
No.
Guys, there's no CPI this week.
Nope.
I'm pretty sure they've delayed it until December, right?
Yeah, Siriluki, it's actually a fair point to ban her. I should for that.
What a troll. Love it, Amelia.
From now on, the new rule is if anybody says CPI today or tomorrow or whatever, and it's not true, I'm going to ban you.
Yeah, we both trade New York session. Nick trades live with Tradeify if you're awake and you want to
live on
tune
Tradeify
in.
TV. Always. Ooh, what a push on gold. My God. Oof. 40 points.
Sheesh.
Since London Open. 30 points. But still massive. So gold's about to take out Asia high. Very interesting. Yes, and NQ is just ripping right now. And we're just watching.
We're just letting it happen and not getting involved. But guys, like, I can see, like what Nick was saying before, there is probably some of you that this is your like perfect setups, bull flag traders, any sort of like breakout traders. Can definitely see you guys killing this. But for me, it's a little bit more tough to trade in this. But yeah,
I
how you don't get FOMO
for myself either. So it is what it is for now. We still got time though. We still got time.
That's true, but the fact that we're taking previous 4-hour high, I don't love. Like, what is the next target? I'd say like daily open. I mean, up there at 24,905. Now, potentially the next level. So still, there are levels.
Yeah, I mean, right now we're kind of like in the middle of today's range. Asia high, it's at 24,958. So still about 100 points away from that.
Also, with my system, once we take out, if I'm in longs, and once we take out the previous 4-hour high, I'm usually out of that. That's like the base is like the highest I would be trading into. But since we're talking about taking B+ setups, I'm still going to look for longs today. If we get like a reversal, I'll still take a little bit of a pullback. I will still take the longs.
Habiba says, daily profit hit and Project X locked me out. Nice. Nice.
Jolin, so Celine, what do you trade if the 4-hour high and low is swept like now? Yeah, I was just saying that's like I'm done. I would have taken a long if I had the setup, would have stopped looking at this point because my targets have been met. And now that we've taken high and the previous 4-hour high and low, I feel like now we could just sit in some sort of chop. Like, yeah, pretty much like the target's met. Where else am I going? I'd like to sit out, wait. Do we, like anything could happen from there. But yeah, seeing as though we are taking B plus setups today, like I said before the stream, I'm willing to risk it today to still, if we get a bit of a pullback here and then another inversion on the 1 minute to go long, I will still consider it. I'm looking at that daily open also.
Risk it for the biscuit.
Target. Risk it for the biscuit. Yeah, Judas, I don't have a continuation model in London. Yeah, this model just takes longs off the reversal. Vince is asking, Nick, are you looking for shorts today?
Not in general, not anymore, because we already took out previous Asia low. Right now, what I'm waiting for is a sweep of a significant level. For me right now, what I'm actually looking at and focused on is gold. What I would like to see here is gold take out Asia high and then move back down into the range. So that's the one setup I can see for myself at this very moment in time.
Oh, we do have an SMT at previous 4-hour high with ES and NASDAQ, so this could be a bit of a stronger retracement.
RBHC Fuego says, you look hella exhausted, Nick. Do I? No, not exhausted. Just focused. Focused. My focused face is really aggressive, though. I'm aware. I always look angry. Whenever I'm focused, I look so angry.
I think I look super worried when I'm focused. That would be funny. All right, is this the pullback? Let's see.
Is it? So you would take this pullback for continuation, or what's your plan?
Yeah, I'm going to take continuation today. Pullback. I would generally not be trading like I said right now because we've swept previous 4-hour high and there's an SMT at the ES high, but I don't feel comfortable taking shorts, and that's not the model. So I'm going to stay bullish, and I'm just going to hopefully get some sort of confirmation to the upside, looking for an inversion for value gap on the 1 minute. And I'd like a deeper retracement into maybe 50% of this previous 15 minutes body. So
important question there. Pew is asking, what is Asia time for you, Nick? 7 p.m. Eastern. 7 p.m. EST. Gene, yeah, for sure. Quarterly open is definitely an important level on NQ. So just be careful here. I really want to see gold sweep Asia high and then move lower. That will be juicy. I can't trade. Nick, can you share your trading setup? How many monitors and what brand? I actually just have my MacBook right here in front of me, right under the camera. And then I have one monitor. It's a ThinkVision monitor. It's not a huge monitor. It's just like I don't know, like 30-inch probably. 25 maybe. Just one monitor and my MacBook, and that's it. Nothing else.
Yeah, I got the same.
I in the past I was actually trading with like an ultra wide screen monitor and like another monitor to the side that was vertical, and the MacBook and an iPad. And then I realized like just keeping it simple is so much better.
Okay, so you don't recommend those ultra wide? Because I've been looking into them. I would.
No,
I mean,
don't get
right
me
now I
wrong.
have like
Don't get me wrong.
yeah,
I love ultrawide monitors. Absolutely nothing wrong with it. However, I prefer just simplicity. It's like
yeah,
one screen to look at, and not 70, not 75 different monitors. For me, it's just that my ultrawide monitor actually stopped working. So then I
oh,
used this other monitor. If I still would have had my ultrawide, I would just do that.
yeah.
But I don't have it anymore. And I didn't really want to buy a new one because this one does the job. I don't really care.
Yeah.
I love it when people think new monitors will make them profitable.
Yeah. I know. Hey, I used to think like that. Like I need all the newest tech, all the like latest, but it doesn't do anything, guys. Trust me.
Hey, thanks for calling that out. Who was it? Cliprush says, Nick, we got SMT with silver. Yeah, I see it. Silver did take out Asia High, so we might move lower here on gold. Uh-huh.
So we are getting quite the reaction to the SMT with NQ and ES at the previous 4-hour high. We are having a bit of a sell-off here.
We did tap into quarterly open on NQ.
I
We
still
did
don't think
tap
this is
into
some
that.
sort of reversal, guys. I'm still happy to take longs in this. I think it's just a pullback. I think keyword
I mean,
there.
as long as BPAP holds, I'm with you on that. But once that
Hey, what
breaks,
level is Bebop at, by the way?
782 right now.
Okay.
782. By the way, where are we at with the light count? We are sitting at. Let me refresh. We are sitting at 240 likes. Chat, we got to do better. Come on, 415.
Come on, guys. Come on, you can do better. Thanks, Rocky Trades. I will look. Is that a Samsung Odyssey G9? That must be a monitor. I will have a look. Thanks for the recommendation. Leia, you trade from your phone? You're like a real pro. Damn. I've never actually taken a trade from my phone.
No?
No?
I
Have you?
Yeah. Multiple times. Actually, the trade that I took today,
On the
the
phone.
45-point short, that was in the gym on the phone.
Damn. I don't know. I find it too like, am I gonna like put on the wrong contracts? I don't know, make a mistake just because it's on the phone and it's such a small screen.
I kind of like trading on TradingView on the phone. I don't really like doing it on the computer, but I like trading on TradingView on the phone.
Yeah, that's interesting. For me, I feel like I would just make too many mistakes because it's such a small screen.
Yeah, I mean,
Wow.
if you feel like it works, it works. And if you feel like it doesn't work, then don't do it. That makes sense. Well, I can trade Project X on phone. That sucks, to be fair. That really sucks. I don't like that at all.
Yeah, fun with folds. I feel like I'm just more open to making mistakes. Clicking the wrong button. I don't know. Corey, you're at work? I find it so crazy that you guys can work, like be at work and listen to us. That's awesome. You must have good bosses.
Or they just don't know.
Oh yeah, because I would like never be able to get away with that.
The business lens, you're back. All right, now tell me. You're hating again. Tell me, what kind of beef do we have? What happened, man? Tell me. I win on stream, I lose on stream, I show everything transparently. What kind of problem do you have with me? Come on, we can talk this through.
Let's talk it out.
I'm not
I'll
scared.
be the mediator.
I'm not scared. Trading like a bot. No, I'm still in Switzerland. I'll fly to Miami on Thursday. Business Lens has one big problem, and I want to know what it is.
Like, is this an ongoing thing?
I don't know. I'm not sure.
Where did he go?
Whenever I ask, he's gone. I don't know. Or she. I don't know. Who are you? What do you want? Oh, he got issues with catch-up, Mysterious Stranger. That could be. Maybe there's the problem.
That is true. Then, hey, maybe we can be friends of Business Lens.
But then maybe I should have more haters, actually.
Rasmus says, working every day in trading, best thing in my life. I would send a picture, but can't show you here. That's awesome. I wish I was able to trade and work at the desks. Corey, Celine, I'm on third shift, so no bosses. Got my AirPods in. Nice.
No, VDM. I mean, technically, I have Italian blood. I'm like a very tiny part Italian. But if I was, I would say, "What's the matter with you? You want a pizza margherita?" And to piss off the Italians, I also like a pineapple on my pizza. Okay.
I have to agree.
Oh, we agree on something. Food related. No.
Pineapple just goes on pizza.
It's true.
And here comes the chat. They're going to come for us.
Wait a minute. Yeah, so, okay, the Business Lens, you had your chance. I asked you what the problem is. You didn't answer me. So next time you're going to hate, I'm going to ban you. I gave you your chance. I gave you your chance. You didn't use it. That's on you, my friend. That's on you.
All right, NQ. You've gone low enough. Let's see higher. Higher.
Well, Brad, it's okay if you unlike the stream, but you're just not going to get a free account then.
Hey.
No, the good news, I don't need pizza with ketchup. Don't worry.
Oh, good. That would just be crossing the line.
Yeah, I agree. Vian Will says that it's Matt's burner account. He's mad about the ketchup.
Yeah. It's just Matt behind the screen.
That would be funny.
Hey, Loving Nature guy.
Yeah, I only say hi to Celine. It's okay, Loving Nature guy.
I don't know.
Makes me sad, man.
Okay, now we're getting some straight beetroot and burgers.
We're holding view up here on NQ, Celine. So
yes,
these long scripts are playing.
I'm looking at this. I've got a 1 minute FEG marked out on the NQ. Would like to see it invert, and then I'd be just entering off that. Stop at the low. Swing low is 24.77850. But yeah, I won't get in unless we invert that. I think that's a good plan.
All right. All right.
But we are close to the 9 a.m. volume, so let's just see.
Yep, 5 minutes out. Five minutes out. Are we going to get another nasty reversal like yesterday?
Nasty NASDAQ.
Yesterday's reversal at 9 a.m. was like massive.
Yeah, it's what I was literally looking for all stream, and then couldn't get a setup. Alexander's saying 5 minute FEG long here. Why ain't you checking it out? 5 minute FEG. Yeah, I can see that we're holding that 5 minute FEG. I mean, it's not my model to just long off that level, but definitely, if we can hold that level, it's definitely a strong confluence for longs, but just, yeah, not my setup.
That's fair. Where are we at with the like count? Refreshing now. Chat, we're sitting at 330 likes. Nice, you did better now. So 415 is the goal. 415. Let's see. Nikohan, any news regarding Project X? I mean, for now, it's business as usual. Nothing changes. But if we have more news, you will find those in Discord. We will for sure make announcements. For now, don't worry about anything. Just keep trading. Keep trading.
All right, chat, we're going to wait here. There's 3 minutes to the 9 a.m. volume coming in. I will wait that out, see what we get. When we open at, that'll be 4 a.m. Eastern. Hopefully we can get a wick down into this level 24,778.50 now. That should hopefully be the manipulation leg and then jump in those longs. So that's what I'm going to wait for here now.
All right. I'm actually more so looking for shorts, but hey, it wouldn't be a London stream if we wouldn't fade each other, right?
I know.
It just wouldn't be. Oh, the business lens says I lost money in your 0 to hero challenge. How did you lose money, business lens? Like, we traded the 0 to hero challenge and we took 2 tries. Try 1, we failed and we reset. So you basically had to pay the reset fee once, right? And the second time around we passed. And now we're funded and we haven't taken any trades. So how did you lose money?
Make it make sense.
I mean, yeah, technically you did lose money. So far, you lost like, what, $100?
But he would have had a funded account now.
What's that?
He would have had a funded account by now in the second challenge.
Yeah, he says he never had the chance to take a reset. Well, what do you mean you never had the chance to take a reset? I told you when to reset the account. Mason, what's up, man? Good to see you.
Gene, no. Gene's trying to get everyone to fade me on Thursday and Friday. Let's not. Do you really think it's a good idea to be fading AI, guys? I know it all. Follow me.
Yeah, Leia, that's another good point. You click the button, not me.
Exactly. Where's the accountability? Nick's not trading that account for you.
I mean, look, people do what they want to do. Yeah, Patrick, we're toast now. Shit. I really like gold for shorts. As said, once we get a change in state of delivery here to the downside, I really like this.
All right, well, this is 9 a.m. open, guys. So let's see. Then we've got the new hour, new 1 hour candle. I don't think it's going to get all the way down to the previous 1 hour's low. I'm just hoping for a little bit of a small wick here, guys, to the downside, and then just a bit of a retracement and then a push higher. I'm still bullish on NQ. Still looking for longs.
Mason is back. I'm still looking for shorts, Celine. I'm sorry.
I know, Nick. I don't expect anything else.
I want to short everything to 0. Yeah, Pew, I know that gold didn't sweep Asia high, but silver did. But only if we get confirmation. So, ooh, NQ. Oh, I love that for short. If we get a change in state of delivery on 3 minute, I will potentially take shorts.
Oh,
I'm
no.
sorry. I'm sorry, Celine.
No, you're not.
No, I'm not. You're right. Let me just, let me just look like a good human being caring about your trade.
We don't want fake Nick around here.
All right, then fuck the longs. Fuck Celine's long. We're gonna go short.
Guys, chat, where are we at with NQ right now? Like, who thinks we're going lower and who thinks we're going high? I need to know. Are you all fading me or?
Imagine we all fade you and you win. Like, that's some bragging rights right there.
That's the plan.
That's some bragging rights right there. We
That's
might
some
even get
AI
short on ES. Ooh, okay, chat. Okay, chat.
Long.
Ah, fuck the longs.
All right, there's one lower in there. Longs.
We're going low.
I won him over, Nick. They're with me.
Yeah, I don't care. I'm gonna make money.
Yeah, Leah. She says, show him, Celine. Let's do it.
We didn't get change in state of delivery yet, so I'm still not taking anything.
All right, well, what I'm looking at here is we have swept previous 15-minute on ES, tapped into that bullish FVG. It's also an SMT with NQ at that 15-minute previous low. If I can get this 1 minute inversion for value gap on the 1 minute, I will enter long. So let's see. Let me just make sure I have my accounts up. All right, not quite an inversion. We're going to wait.
I'm waiting.
Wait. And this is technically B+. Oh, it doesn't look like we're going to invert. It's all right. We'll wait. Oh.
Future here, the 0 to hero challenge is currently sitting at 0. We didn't take any trades on it yet. 50K funded. We're trading that now. So we are funded. We made it to that stage. Now it's all about getting it to pay out. I do like the shorts on gold still. Especially after we just failed to make a new high here.
Damn, Nasdaq, what are we doing?
What are you doing? That's okay, the good news. Now you got it. We're sitting at 372 likes. We're getting closer, chat. Getting closer.
All right, chat. Doesn't look like we're getting that inversion, so I'm going to sit out. Damn, that's a big candle. I need that inversion to tell me that there is momentum to the upside.
All right,
it's
going to be an ES for me to trade. We did get a change of state of delivery here in ES. Looks like we want to take this trade on ES.
To the downside.
Yeah. If this push inverses and we come down to like 69, 6669 would be the entry for me.
Not 6-7.
Not 6-7. Not today. On a 0 to hero funded, I would only take this with one ES mini. Leia, I see 60,300 for Tradeify TV subs.
And guys, if you're new here or you're not subbed, but you're watching us, hit that subscribe button. Join the fam.
Nice.
Smash
All right,
it.
never mind about this ES short.
All right, hold on. Are we getting the inversion?
I
We
took off
might
my
be.
order, so you might as well long it.
Thanks, well. Oh, it's really just really doing that today.
Mm.
So it just, for me to be involved here, guys, it just needs to close higher than that low 24,802. Nope.
Nope. I like it for gold. Shorts, still, cat. Rocket Trades futures, yeah, we're working on it. It's a pretty big problem to fix, actually. It's harder than we thought. Alexander, no, none of us lives in London. We just trade
Nope.
London.
All right, it looks like chat. We got 10 seconds for this 1 minute candle to close. We could be getting this inversion.
I'm about to take this gold
All
short,
right.
but
I'm in longs.
yeah, but
Good
you're
luck.
in longs on NQ, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. I'm in shorts now. 3 micros on gold.
Let's
Basically
see, chat.
risking $300.
Oh, who's fading me? As soon as I enter, it's like a big push to the downside.
We're both in the trade now.
This could be a quick stop out. Look, it's not the A+ setup, but I'm happy to be taking a trade. I got the inversion. There's an SMT with the 15-minute low on ES. ES tapped into that bullish FEG. NASDAQ didn't. I'm just going to target on this 2R, which is roughly that high. That high is at 25,857. TP will just be a bit below that.
All right. For me, I'm in gold short, chat. My entry was 4,032.6. First target is 22.2 for 1 hour, and then 17, then 14.4, and final target is 11.8. So we're going for 20 points on gold. 3 micros.
Chat, I think we're cooked. Are we cooked?
Is she cooked, chat?
Or are we cooking?
Or is she cooking? Who knows? Oh yeah, this looks like I know what you mean.
Yeah. 30, 50.
Trading like a bot. Did we fire Ozempic? No. He's just coming up with the next masterful shitpost, you know? You gotta give that man his time to come up with his genius writing skills. Suriluki, what is my girlfriend cooking today? I have no idea. All I know is it's gonna be great. Whatever she cooks, it's always great.
85375.
Ooh, this long seems way better
All
now.
right. Are we gonna get it? I'll be going break even at 1-1, which is 830, 830s. 830.50.
30s. Multiple people are asking if I can explain the gold short. Yes, absolutely, I can. So basically, if we look at gold here, I compare it to silver. Silver did take out the Asia high, right? Gold did not. Gold's Asia high is still about 2 points higher than where we went. So what I was actually observing here on gold, and I said it like about 30 minutes ago or longer, that I'm looking for gold shorts, right? What I saw was we didn't take that out, but silver did. We rejected in correlation with silver, tried to make a new high, failed, had a change in state of delivery once we closed through this, was that 33, 34 level. And once we had the change in state of delivery, I entered the short. Stop for me is above the high, the London high. And I'm going for a 2-to-1R, which technically we could go for more on this trade, right? Technically we could target Asia lows, but I'm just going to go with my usual 2-to-1R setup on this. I'm in with 3 micros. I'm going to take one off at 1R. We'll move the other to break even, and take another one off at 1.5R and let the rest ride until 2R.
I hope this is when NASDAQ and gold start moving in opposite directions for both of us. Well, let's hope.
Yeah, let's hope. I mean, your NQ trade is looking good so far.
It's all right.
What was your entry?
Shitty fill 807.25.
Okay. Well, you're up 10 points. What's your target on this?
Target is 24, 853.25. Literally just before that high that we made.
Okay.
When we took out that previous 4-hour high.
Got it.
But if it does get to that 1-to-1, I'll be break even, and then I'll just let the rest cook.
Let her cook, chat.
Let's go, NQ. Give us the longs. Almost at that B. We're 1 point away.
Let's see, chat. Yeah, Patrick, it could. And if it does sweep Asia high first, we can re-enter it after.
All right, chat. We are BE officially on that trade. So risking 0, holding the rest for 2R. Currently up 1,000 on each account.
Nice.
2 minutes.
Clean.
Let's see what we get.
Clean.
Finally, chat. Are we going to get a TP or what?
Hey, you better.
I've been waiting, NASDAQ.
Amelia just passed her 50K account. Nice.
Woo.
Congrats.
Congrats, Amelia. Nice.
Ooh, MSR trades. You're long on gold. Uh-oh. What can I say? I'm not. Yeah, NQ is ripping. Gold, I dare you. Do not follow NQ. Turn around.
What's gold doing?
Yeah, I mean, look, it's pushing up right now as well. It was either we catch a really nice entry for the short, or we just caught the bottom of a bull flag, which would be Anything else but ideal. To be fair.
It's either up or down. And it went up. Nasdaq, you just have to pump a few more points. Come on.
Yeah, gold doesn't look too nice.
Chat, don't jinx me. We haven't hit the banger yet. We're like, we could just completely dump. Let's see.
Loving nature guy. This is the wrong stream, man. That is the wrong stream.
What the?
Andrea says Celine is cooking. Nick is getting cooked. Yeah, it sure looks like it right now. It
Come
sure
on,
looks like
one
it.
more point. One more point. One more point. NQ. Don't do this to me.
Yeah, last time when you missed TP by 1 tick, that was
Yay.
crazy. You hit it?
We closed out. Full
Nice.
TP.
W in the chat.
Woo.
W in the chat, everybody. W Celine.
That's 1,800 on each account, chat.
Nice.
We did it.
That's awesome.
W's in the chat. Yay. All right, we finally got the trade. Honestly, guys, it was so hard not to take a trade the last couple of days. And I said before I traded today, I was happy to take B plus or even A setups just to get in there, because I don't know about you, but I can't go like more than 2 days without getting a setup. So I'm glad I took it. The setup pretty much was, we had already swept previous 4-hour low. So I've been looking for longs ever since we got into the session. And then what I was waiting for the A plus setup is to have a sweep of a previous 15-minute before I was to enter long. So I never got that, because as you can see, if I go to the 15-minute, we just kept printing bullish candles in the 15, and no, we never got a sweep. But in saying that, when we had 9 a.m. volume come in, we got a sweep of the previous 15 on ES, which tapped into the bullish FVG on, I've got gold up. Why have I got gold? So here's ES tapping into the bullish FVG, which swept the previous 15-minute low, which was an SMT with NQ. So that was my my reason for entering the long there. And then I just marketed. I was waiting patiently here when we had all this chop. I only entered once we had the inversion of the 1-minute FVG to tell me that that was a strong level, that the bulls were in control. There was some sort of momentum. So I market ordered, got a bit of a shitty feel, but still hit 2R on that. So yeah, hope that makes sense.
Nice. Clean trade.
What?
Clean trade.
Oh, clean trade. I thought you said, do you trade?
Yeah, do you trade, Celine?
Apparently.
No, I said a clean trade. Yeah, also, I saw we did hit that like goal. Like, what?
Oh.
What? Let's do the giveaway.
Let's
do the
do it.
giveaway, chat. So, if you want to take part in this giveaway, by the way, I'm still in this gold short. Let's see if we're getting cooked or if we're about to cook. But let's do the giveaway. If you want to win a 50K growth account, all you got to do is like the stream, subscribe to the channel, and I will send a link to the Google form in the chat here in a second. I will send it like 10 times. You can't miss it. Fill out that Google form, but only fill it out once. If you win and I see that you filled it out more than once, you will get disqualified. And that would suck, obviously. Also, if you win, excuse me, if you win, make sure you tag me in the chat so I see you there, okay? Because if I don't see you and you try to claim your price, well, it's not gonna be good times. So here's the link to the Google form. Here you go. I'm gonna spam the chat with the Google form here. Fill it out once.
Just in case you miss it, here it is 50 times.
Yeah, well, sometimes you still get people who ask, where's the Google form?
Where's the form?
Oh, God. Of course, Leia, I see you. Of course. Always see you. You're different though. You're an OG. You're the unofficial.
Hey, you're trading like a bot on 8-day winning streak? That's sick.
Oh, $400 or more. Nice. That's awesome.
Consistency. That's awesome.
Camille, no, I did not. I thought about it and was like, you know what? Let me just not do a giveaway.
Camille wants to get banned.
We have so many trolls in the chat. I love it.
Nick, have you seen NQ in the last 3 minutes? What is happening? I feel like
now we have SMT between NQ and ES. I like it even more for shorts now.
Yeah, it looks good now.
I like it even more for shorts now. Actually. I don't like gold though. Gold is likely gonna stop us out, unfortunately.
But the indices are dumping now. Surely gold follows.
Well, we'll see. I do like NQ for shorts.
Yeah, damn. What a rejection there.
Loving Nature Guy. Time right now where I live is 10:20 a.m. 10:20 a.m. What about you?
Me?
Well, you as well. I was.
For me, it's like 5
Nature Guy, but
oh yeah. Well, for those who want to know, it's 5:20 p.m. on this side of the globe.
5:20 p.m.
5:20. 5:20. Alexander, Celine, how long are you trading? That was epic analysis and patience. Thanks. I've been trading from, I guess, October 2020. Wait, 2023. Yeah. October 2023 is when I picked up trading pretty much and took it seriously. So 2 years.
Nice.
But it took me a long time to get to that level of patience. And even now, you probably heard like me going on and on. Like it was really tough for me the last couple of days not to be trading or getting a setup. But I mean, sometimes it pays off to be patient though. Well, usually it does.
What do you
like,
mean
don't
sometimes?
usually it does. It pays off. Like being patient, not just like FOMO entering or anything. Like that's a clear example of it's still my setup. Like an SMT at the 15-minute low is still the setup. It's probably more of a B plus setup, but like A plus would be if NQ had swept the previous 15-minute low. But SMT, it's still a strong confluence. And I didn't just enter. I still waited for the IFVG. So yeah, still part of my system.
Little part of the system, chat.
Whoa, Visual Trader, you're in Vegas? How are you awake right now?
Trust me, these guys are crazy.
Can't miss a trade. Can't miss a trade.
Nope.
Future here, we know as much as you with the Black Friday sale, but we said yesterday we think if we know Tradeify well enough, it's going to be a good sale. So stay tuned.
Hell yeah. All right, chat. Let's do the giveaway, shall we? Let's do the giveaway.
Let's do it.
50K growth account. I'm actually copying everybody over. Good
luck, everybody.
Oh, damn. We have a lot of participants on this one. Sheesh.
Oh.
450. That's a lot. That is a lot. All right, chat. Here you go. Winner today of a 50K growth account is going to be... Let's spin it. Oh shit, it's lagging. No. Well, you'll still see it. It doesn't matter. But it's lagging. Corrupt 68. Oh, yeah, I was corrupt, maybe. Corrupt 68, where you at? Tag me in the chat.
He was corrupting the spin the wheel.
Yep.
Congrats, Corrupt.
68.
Are you here?
Hey,
Yeah.
there he is. Nice. Okay, Corrupt 68. Make sure you add your email address to your YouTube channel description. And we're going to send you your free account within the next 7 days. Congrats.
Congrats.
Very nice.
Take it to a payout.
Yeah, this gold trade got us stuck. It's in the middle of our drawdown range. Corrupt, you want a 50K growth, not 150K, just 50K, which is pretty sick too.
Still good. You can still take that to a payout and make that money.
Okay, yeah, it's free money. It's free money at that point.
Rocky Trades. There's always someone that wants to say it's rigged.
Hey.
The
just how
only
it
time
is.
it was rigged was when Nick won. I must admit. I don't know how that happened.
Well, look, if I participate in every single one, I mean, statistically speaking, at a certain point, I will win.
Yeah, but you only entered that one giveaway and then you won it.
No, I enter every single one.
Oh wait, you do?
Yeah.
I didn't know that.
I mean, I do not enter the Wheel of Names ones, but the ones with keywords, because I paste the keyword for people to copy it in the chat.
Oh, and then
Copy
you're
paste
in,
it, and
yeah,
that automatically enters me into the giveaway. That's why.
Yeah, that's true. Oh, well, that makes sense.
Yep.
Come on, gold, dump it.
Dump it for me, please, gold. I need you to make me some baguette money. Let's dump it now. Yes, Peter. You know, gotta dump the market. Do it. Do it. All right, chat. I'm just gonna leave this trade running. You know the plan. The plan is stop loss at 4,043. We're gonna take one partial off at 22.2, and then we're gonna take another one off at 17, and the final one at 11.8. That's the plan. I'm just gonna let this run. I'll update you tomorrow how this went. Jaspal, yes, I will be here tomorrow. I will not be here Thursday and Friday. So, Celine, any last words for the chat?
Not too much today, guys. Just trade the model, don't deviate, be the disciplined traders that I know you all are, and enjoy the rest of your Tuesday. We'll see you tomorrow.
Hell yeah. Chat, today, 8:30 a.m. Eastern time for another New York stream, and then, of course, tomorrow, 8 a.m. for another London stream. See you there. Peace out.